Hi boys and girls, good morning to you all. I am standing right outside perhaps the most recognized building in Malaysia. This is the Stad Hui Christ Church of Malacca, and we are right at Red Square here in Malacca. It's super early in the morning here, so there's no one around me, there's no one in the square and no one near me, but I'm gonna wear my mask after I finish shooting this segment. Malacca is where the history of modern Malaysia begin. It is right here in Malacca that we have our first empire, the Malacca Empire, starting from the 1400 and reach its peak during the reign of Sultan Mansur Shah. Then came the Portuguese in the 1500s, the Dutch came in the 1600s, 1700s, then the British took over until our independence in 1957. Because of its long history, Malacca has one of the most unique community in all of Malaysia, with Dutch, Portuguese, and British settlement all having their foothold here, because whoever controls Malacca will control the Straits of Malacca, which is one of the most important trade routes since ancient time. I am here this time in Malacca to taste all the amazing food that Malacca has to offer. Their food is really unique because of the history of Malacca and because of the massive immigration that happened because of all these trade activities. The Arabs, the Portuguese, the Chinese, the Indians that migrated here and made Malacca their home. Hence begin a very unique cultural and heritage in the historical state of Malacca. I've been dieting for 2 weeks now just to make this trip. So I am super hungry. It's early in the morning. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Well, there was a thunderstorm just now. My first stop and the first thing I wanted to eat in Malacca, always when I'm in Malacca, is chicken rice ball. I've heard of chicken rice, but Malacca people has brought chicken rice onto the next level. They made something called chicken rice ball, which they actually squeeze the rice into a ball shape. And this is the place every local tells me have the most authentic chicken rice ball in Malacca. We cannot dine here, so I'm gonna take away and eat it at another cafe. So boys and girls, here you are, the famous Huang Chang restaurant chicken rice ball. That is what chicken rice ball looks like. It's really tightly squeezed by hand into the shape of a ball. I was told by squeezing into a rice ball shape, rice can contain heat longer and better. Looks very delicious, right? Secret ingredient for chicken rice is really the pandan leaf that is soaked together with the rice. So let's have the first taste. It has to be very well soaked, and this rice is certainly very, very well soaked. In the pandan leaf. Looking for some home-cooked Nyonya meal here, and I heard this place has very good home-cooked Nyonya Laksa. I've tried Johor Laksa, I've tried Laksa on the East Coast, and now it's time to try the famous Nyonya Laksa here in Malacca. The santan taste is heavier than usual, and so the curry is not that red. because of the suntan, I think. Look at that. And I'm eating right beside someone's home. So this is as close as you can get as home cook. Oh, this is very, very satisfying. I've waited an hour. This, boys and girls, is called Poh Piah. It's a very popular appetizer here in Malaysia, kind of like a spring roll and kind of like a tacos in the States, I guess. And Da Chong makes the best Poh Piah here in Malacca, and I've been waiting an hour for this. It has to be handmade individually. That's why it took so long to make. Enough talking, I've been waiting for 1 hour. I really want a taste of this. Oh. All the ingredients are turnips, a lot of veggies. They use Japanese cucumber. Look at the filling. This is the fattest Poh Piah I have ever tasted. They are sold out very quickly. So next time when you come to Malacca, you really have to call and pre-order. That's my advice to you. So good, my God. It's worth the 1 hour waiting. I have been to Malacca a few times now and never ever have I had the famous Malacca satay Celup. For those of you who had satay but never had satay Celup, it's kind of like steamboat and satay. You'll see what I mean. The first step to pick satay Celup is to pick your own ingredient. And look at all these that you can pick. Oh no, this is egg, then 3 eggs. I think this is some kind of a tofu, mushroom, crab meat, some kind of fish cake. Look at that, that's bak choy too. And they squeeze the veggies like that. Isn't that cute? Yeah, good. So my local friends say you just put it in. Just dip it in, right, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, so, okay, my first satay Celup. Satay that is supposedly boiling. And then you just leave it. Oh, I think I make a small little porcupine here shape. So there you go. That's how you eat satay Celup. Can you eat it by the... Can you eat like this or you have to put it in a plate?
You can do it either way.
My first satay Celup. It's basically peanut sauce. Spicy.
How is the sauce?
Very, very peanut. Thick peanut sauce. The thing to do at night in Malacca is the river walk, which is very nice, which I've also never done. Beautiful here. I'll show you what it looks like. The Portuguese were in Malacca for hundreds of years, since the 1500s, and they have certainly left their footprint by bringing in Portuguese cuisine. Ordered the baked fish. Look at that. Look at that sauce. Garlic butter here. And of course the squid written. That's fried squid. So I'm gonna try the fried squid first. It looks so delicious. Mmm, fantastic. Okay, there you go. The garlic prawn, Portuguese style. Mmm, mmm. I love these garlic stuff. Mmm. Look how thick the sauce is. Just give it one bite. This is what I've been waiting for all day long. Mmm. The sauce is something that I've never tasted before. And they put like garlic and lots of onion, cucumber. Well, this is certainly I've been to Malacca a few times and I never really tried this. It's always Baba Nyonya food that I tried. And we're in the Portuguese settlement and this food court is the food court to come. And be sure, because we're eating at number 10, so they go by number. Do come here for your Portuguese seafood. It looks absolutely amazing. This is my finale dinner and I will just finish off the video here by saying that I had the most amazing time in Malacca. I want to thank my local friend Peter. Peter is filming me now. And also my friend in KL who's also a Malaccan, Calvin. I think they both pretty much gave me the same list of places to eat here in Malacca, so I want to thank them for making this video. We're still on partial lockdown. I hope Malacca will get through this. I mean, Malacca has gotten through so much over the 500 years history that they've went through, so I'm sure they will go through this challenge headstrong as well. I wish all the best to Malacca, and I hope you visit Malacca because just look at my video. I mean, all these amazing food, how can you miss it? And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!